At sunrise, the hunters came invading the jungle as usual. But unknown to them, the animals were ready. Zarok watches the hunters walk in from a cliff. Their path is set, but shadows gather. Zarok jumps down to defend his kind and the jungle leadership. The monkeys and other animals of all kinds came out for their defense. Ran for his life as he saw Zarok and the unbelievable acts of the animal kingdom.
Faster! They're closing in! I can't! They're everywhere! Get off the gun! I'm trying! Help! They're right behind us! Watch your step! Whoa! They're everywhere! Run! I can't shake them! Keep moving!
Unknown to them, the animals were more than ready this time to protect themselves. Hunters were brutally defeated. The hunters ran for their lives.
Faster! They're right behind us!
Came back
I can't see them, but I hear them. Keep moving.
Now the monkeys jubilate their victory over the hunters. How the jungle is finally theirs, they said to themselves. Zarek sits on a cliff under moonlight, bloodvine planted in the earth.